Everything we do on security is really focused around our government and regulated industries. These guys are utilizing their devices at the edge with the most sensitive data for their mission, so we want to ensure that that endpoint is secured.
Hardware Device Manager is the technology that we originally released for the military, and now we're releasing more broadly to the public. This technology allows people to stop targeting, tracking, eavesdropping, and mobile attacks.
So we can go down and turn off individual components at the hardware level.
You can turn off the USB, a camera, a microphone, or any radio that you want, and know that across a factory reset or a successful attack, it will still work.
So even if the operating system is compromised, we could turn off camera, mics, RF signal to ensure no data leaves that device.
That means we can survive a kernel exploit or any malware on the device. This is what we want to build for. We want to help those that are serving us, allow them to be productive and be secure at the same time. We know that this can allow them to use our devices in ways they want to today.